Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you are just watching, checking out the channel, thank you so much for watching the video. And please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. Now, Julius Malema is one of the famous people that I never thought I would see getting a divorce, because one, especially for cheating, because one, he seems like a person who doesn't cheat. But even Black Coffee at some point seemed like he didn't cheat. I actually saw someone saying this on Twitter. And I was like, I also thought Black Coffee would never cheat on Antley. That was in the beginning of their marriage. But anyway, it was reported by Musa that Julius Malema and his wife are in divorceville. And yeah, and Musa never lies, honestly. Like out of 10, maybe he will lie once, or even then the rumors will not be proven, not that he was lying. And I don't believe he's lying, because you've seen Julius Malema and his issues in marriage the past couple of months. So I believe that he's not lying. And he knows these people. He knows what goes down in these people's lives, honestly. I think at this point, we all believe him, and we all know when he says something, he means it, and it's always the truth. This is what he said. Julius Malema's marriage is over as his wife Mantwa Matlala files for divorce. Julius Malema and Mantwa Matlala got married in December of 2014. She could only tolerate so much of his cheatation and decided to end their stressful marriage. Now, I feel like Julius Malema is one of the most supported husbands, especially politicians. I feel like that girl supported him so much, and now people are worried: is Manta now gonna get half of of EFF, since they are divorcing, since they are both married in community of property? What is gonna happen? How is this gonna work? And I saw some other people saying that why do people celebrate people's marriage, especially public figures' marriage ending so much? I don't think it's so much of a celebration, more than it's the fact that people, they've known these people, some they have admired them, some have wanted to know how they make it work or whatever. So when it ends, they're just interested. Not a lot of people celebrate these marriages, or honestly. I think we would all celebrate if Makumalo were to leave Musa, because we all know how toxic that is. But when a marriage is healthy, I don't think there's any celebration for the most part. But then Musa also posted that Julius Malema sent his people to give Musa money, and he was like, I can't be bought. Like, you can't hide a divorce, because people are gonna know anyway, because they're not gonna see you with your wife, since you are always with your wife anyway. So why do you wanna hide it? You can't buy me like that. This is a shock for me. It's something that I didn't hope for Malema. I feel like he's going to be a mess without Mantwa. I feel like Mantwa has always held him to some high regard. She's always held him together, basically. I don't see this ending good for him, but then he deserves it, because he decided to go cheat. I'm still shocked that he cheated, but okay, like, what can you do? These men will all cheat anyway. I feel sorry for their kids, honestly. They have 3 boys, one from Malema's previous marriage, and then 2 together. But I'm glad Manta chose herself and didn't stay like most people who are with prominent people stay in marriages that don't serve them anymore. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Did you see it coming? What do you think about this? I will see you guys in the next video.